Hey there, Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and I want to give a huge shout out to my Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino maker. You guys, this is one of the smallest and yet most powerful and convenient espresso makers I've ever seen. It is so easy to use. It's revolutionized my mornings. It's seriously one touch and so easy to choose your drink selection. There's so many options. It's fantastic. It is a 15 bar pump system that extracts your espresso. So you are going to get all of those flavor notes, all of those big, bold flavors that you love about espresso from your favorite coffee shop. You're gonna be able to get that at home from your kitchen anytime you want. It's amazing. It's going to save you a ton of money. You are going to fall in love with just experimenting and figuring out what you like, trying new drinks, different flavors, or just like me, having a shot of espresso in the afternoon, to keep you going whenever you need it. It's absolutely fantastic. Two tips that I would recommend as you are playing with your Mr. Coffee maker. You do want to prime the coffee machine. I was so excited when I got mine. I just wanted to, jump right in. But I would tell you guys, look, make sure that you have time to go over the manual. You're gonna wanna read through it. You're gonna want to set it up properly, learn how to use everything. It's not complicated, but it is something that you don't want to try to set it up when you're in a hurry. You want to actually take your time, learn how to do it, prime it correctly. You're dealing with, making espresso is like an art form. You want to make sure that you are, you have everything with the machine exactly how it needs to be so that you are, just extracting the quality like it should be done. So I would just say take a little time when you first set it up. Don't be in a hurry. Don't, try to do it one morning right before work. Take your time, learn the machine, learn how to prime it, get it all ready to go. Second thing is take the time. It's super easy to do. Take the time to clean your frothing tube where the milk is after every use. I know you might think, I'm guilty of this, of being okay, I can go 2 or 3, 4 uses, but I found it does affect the amount of frothing and the amount of milk that you're gonna end up in your, that it will end up in your cappuccinos. So just rinse it out. It's not a big deal after every time. So those are my 2 tips. This is an amazing, amazing espresso, cappuccino, latte maker. It can do everything. You guys are gonna love this. It's gonna save you a ton of money. You're gonna have a ton of fun with it. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be really glad you did.